Today I'm gonna play a game called What is your preppy skincare routine? So, okay, first is the headband. Let's use the pink one because it's so pretty. Alright. Next is cleansing time. I know there's a bubble one because it's so fire. Well, the toner. We have POV, Vyoma, Bubble, the clean one, it's not even a thing. Oh, it's not what, it's an edge. Oh, never mind. And then we got Drunk Elephant. Drunk Elephant! Drunk Elephant! Because it's so preppy. Even though it's bronzer, not toner. Okay, next is the serum. Oh, it's called Drunk Elephant. I need a lot of retinol so that I can burn my face and have damaged skin. And last but least is the water. I don't have Bryoma, but I choose either the Drunk Elephant or the Bryoma, because they're both so preppy and I don't have any Bryoma. So yeah, that's me. I am like the preppiest person alive. Bye, Cookie!